हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Personal affidavit of the petitioner filed today in the court is taken on record, full stop para. Heard learned counsel for the petitioner, full stop para. The Office of Learned Additional Solicitor General of India has accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, Miss Manjina Singh. Learned counsel holding brief of Srimati Archana Singh appears for the respondent numbers 2 and 3, full stop para. Notice need not to be issued to respondent number 4 in view of the order which is proposed to be passed today, full stop para. The petitioner has preferred the present writ petition with the following prayers, colon para. First, issue a writ order or direction in the nature of mandamus commanding and directing the respondent number 3 not give any effect to the draw of lot / bidding process taken place on 29/3/2017 for allotment of Kisan Seva Kendra Village Retail Outlet Dealership at MDR 167 in bracket Chitbada Gaon to Gazipur Road bracket out block Sohao district Balia, full stop para. Second, issue a writ order or direction in the nature of mandamus commanding and directing the respondent number 3 to get hold inquiry on the complaint / representation dated 30/3/2017 submitted by the petitioner personally and take appropriate decision for fresh draw of lot / bidding process only in respect of MDR 167 in bracket Chitbada Gaon to Gazipur Road bracket out block Sohao Tehsil Balia Sadar district Balia, full stop para. Third, issue a writ order or direction in the nature of mandamus commanding and directing the respondent number 3 not permit to respondent number 4 for any auction if such draw of lot / bidding of process given in favor of the respondent number 4 at MDR 167 in bracket Chitbada Gaon to Gazipur Road bracket out block Sohao Tehsil Balia Sadar district Balia, full stop para. The facts in brief as contained in the writ petition are that the respondent Indian Oil Corporation Limited published an advertisement on 17/10/2014 for appointment of large number of dealers for opening of Kisan Seva Kendra Village Retail Outlet Dealership in the state of UP at serial number 145 of the aforesaid advertisement. The location was mentioned as MDR 167 in bracket Chitbada Gaon to Gazipur Road bracket out at Firozpur block Sohao Tehsil Balia Sadar district Balia, full stop. The location in question is reserved for scheduled caste category candidates, full stop para. For the purpose of establishment of Kisan Seva Kendra, one of the necessary condition was for the applicants to provide land for establishment of the retail outlet, full stop. The land proposed to be provided by the applicants are of two types, namely group 1 type in bracket own land bracket out or group 2 type in bracket firm bracket out, full stop para. The petitioner has applied for the location in question providing land under group A category, full stop. It is contended that all the necessary papers and documents were duly submitted by the petitioner along with his application form, full stop. It is further contended that after the application form was submitted by the petitioner, the respondent number 3 / senior divisional retail sales manager Indian Oil Corporation Limited in bracket MD bracket out, full stop. ओवर हो गया फ्रेंड्स। ये 120 प्लस की स्पीड में रिव्यू दीजिएगा, कैसा होता है डिक्टेशन, कैसा लगता है। बाकी बुरा तो बहुत ज़्यादा लगता होगा, ये हमें पता है, लेकिन कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, एग्ज़ाम भी तो बुरा ही वाला है। 120 की स्पीड में एग्ज़ाम है, गुजरात बढ़ा देता है स्पीड भी, है ना। तो चलिए 2 मिनट बाद क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन शुरू करेंगे। चैनल पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, बेल आइकन के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको डिक्टेशन टाइम पे मिल सके। ओके, और बाकी तो हम दे ही रहे, डिक्टेशन करते रहिए। एक डिक्टेशन से ज़्यादा डिक्टेशन देखिए दे पाना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि रेगुलर लाइफ सबकी होती है ना। तो यही ट्राई करते हैं कि जो एग्ज़ाम लगे उसका डिक्टेशन हम देते रहें, ठीक है। तो बाकी तो हम जो भी अब ज़रूरत होगी तो फिर देबे करेंगे हम, ठीक है। चलिए, तो कितना टाइम हो रहा है? अभी टाइम है, रेस्ट कर लीजिए, उंगली अपनी चटका लीजिए और कुछ देर बाद, अभी 30 सेकंड हैं, ठीक है। अब जितने लोग देखते हो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब वो लाइक वाइक कर दिया करिए, है ना। वैसे बोलना बार बार अच्छा नहीं लगता है, लेकिन बोलना इसलिए पड़ता है क्योंकि कोई भी नया बंदा भी वीडियो देख सकता है ना, तो इसलिए बोलते हैं। चलिए 10 सेकंड हो गए, होने वाले हैं, बचे हैं, तैयार हो जाइए। स्टार्ट। लीव ग्रांटेड। पैरा, this appeal by special leave arises out of judgment dated 11/4/2018 of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh at Jabalpur dismissing the appellant's application under section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code in bracket CRPC bracket out for quashing of order dated 1/9/2015 of the Special Magistrate in bracket Prevention of Food Adulteration Act in bracket out Bhopal full stop para. The facts giving rise to this appeal are as follows: the appellant was the marketer of packed food article Orange Tammy Sugarless Jelly in bracket jelly bracket out full stop. The jelly was manufactured separately by one Cachet Pharmaceuticals Private Limited in bracket manufacturer bracket out, which is not connected to the appellant entity full stop on 3/10/2008. Respondent number 2, food inspector in bracket from the Food and Drugs Administration Bhopal district bracket out conducted inspection in Valecha Enterprises in Bhopal, the proprietor of which is one Mr. Dinesh Valecha in bracket retailer bracket out full stop. Respondent number 2 purchased 3 company packed jars of the jelly weighing 350 grams each from the retailer, and the said samples were deposited with the state food testing laboratory in bracket state laboratory bracket out and the local health authority Bhopal for the purpose of testing full stop. At this stage the retailer did not have receipt of purchase from the appellant / marketer and stated that they would produce it before respondent number 2 at a later stage full stop para. The local authority by letter dated 26/11/2008 informed respondent number 2 that the report of the public analyst state laboratory had found sugar in the jelly sample, hence the jelly was misbranded full stop. Notably, it was pursuant to this letter that respondent number 2 made further query and the retailer produced a receipt showing that the jelly was purchased from the appellant full stop. Respondent number 2 sent a letter to the local health authority and to the Indore bench of the appellant company for information as regards the manager / director / partner or nominee of the appellant full stop. However, as the respondents claim, the appellant did not respond to this query and the letter was received back full stop. The attempts of respondent number 2 to obtain information about the appellant from the office of the Deputy Director Food and Drugs Administration and the Commissioner Nagar Nigam Indore also failed full stop para. Consequently, respondent number 2 filed a complaint in the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class Bhopal for the offence of selling a misbranded food article under section 16 in bracket 1 in bracket A in bracket second, read with sections 2 in bracket 9 in bracket G bracket out and 7 in bracket second of the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954 in bracket 1954 Act bracket out full stop. During the course of the trial, after the closing of the prosecution evidence, the retailer examined himself as a witness for the defense under section 315 of the CRPC. Subsequently, on 26/8/2014, the retailer moved an application under section 20A of the 1954 Act for impleading the appellant as an accused, which was allowed by the special magistrate in bracket prevention of food adulteration in bracket out Bhopal by order dated 1/9/2015 full stop over. हो गया फ्रेंड्स ये 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड में, ठीक है। तो दोस्तों इसमें जब देखिए अंडर सेक्शन 16 इन ब्रैकेट 1 इन ब्रैकेट ए इन ब्रैकेट सेकंड बोला जाता है तो इसका मतलब होता है ये इंडिविजुअली अलग अलग ब्रैकेट के अंदर है, ठीक है, चाहे एग्ज़ाम हो चाहे एग्ज़ाम ना हो। और अगर एग्ज़ाम में इसकी मिस्टेक्स काउंट होती है तो वो लोग अनाउंसमेंट कर देते हैं कि हम ब्रैकेट बोलेंगे। अगर ब्रैकेट बोलेंगे तो मतलब मिस्टेक कटेगी, अगर ब्रैकेट नहीं बोले हैं तो आप इस हिसाब से लिख सकते हो ब्रैकेट के अंदर डाल करके, ठीक है। अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलते हैं, ओके।